This is the final version, the Bird 888, 4 technologies in one. We improved 3 things from the prototypes we test in some countries with our representatives, and with this final version we improved the PID settings, so we make let's say more user-friendly controlling here, and we separate from the PID the save energy function, which controls the bottom heater. So instead of using 4000 watts, people can use 2000 watts in the bottom and any of the top heaters they want to try. So we take out from the PID and we put on the side a very simple, user-friendly power saving control, and this is the new Bird 888 Chimera, 4 technologies in one by Dragon Group China. We took our time because we think this is one of the best machines I have seen. You will see it when you get one, for the price, for the technologies, for the research involved, for the control, for the extra measurement functions, and for the economy saving function, and everything you can do basically with this machine. So you can get this machine in any of the stores of Dragon Group China.